We mentioned this in some of our other calculations of talking about these access points. And yes, I'm going to keep using external antennas like they used to be. And we asked the question, why do we need the 2 antennas? Or like with N, why are we using 3 antennas? Well, when we get to high throughput, we'll talk about why that 3rd or even more antennas. And the distance between these 2 antennas, like I said, it was usually around 5 inches. I mean, they didn't have to be very far apart. But do you remember why I said that was an importance to us? One of the reasons was, of course, is that we are able to, with like the 2.4 gigahertz, we're going to be able to receive a signal at different times and be able to separate them. And again, that could happen from my laptop because its transmission might bounce off of a wall before it comes in. And I might have another one that goes right directly there. And so we had this problem that we called multipath. And the goal of the access point was, on a frame-by-frame basis, is as it receives these signals, and they're not at the exact same time, it's going to figure out which of those 2 antennas is the best one to use. And then it's going to say, all right, I'll accept that frame on this antenna, and then drop the frame on the other one. So it's constantly comparing the signals from both antennas, and it'll use whichever one of them has the best signal strength to receive that frame of data. And it's amazing to me that they're doing this frame by frame, choosing whichever one has the signal strength. And it's what we called switch diversity, and it was something we saw before the 802.11 standard came in, where we actually want to use multiple antennas to improve the performance.